Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by ensuring basic prerequisites are met. Unprotect the sheet if protected, and save a quick backup copy. Once done, click the cell immediately below the header row and to the right of any frozen columns. That cell defines where the split ends. Make sure you can see the View tab. This is where the freeze panes controls live. Now, with the correct cell selected, you're ready to remove or adjust the freeze settings using the next steps. From the View tab, open Freeze Panes and choose Unfreeze Panes. That removes all existing freezes immediately. If only columns or only rows were frozen, unfreezing still clears them both, so make sure you reapply a specific option if needed. Once the panes are unfrozen, check scrolling horizontally and vertically to confirm movement. If you want a different freeze, select the correct cell and pick Freeze Panes, or choose Freeze Top Row or Freeze First Column for quicker fixes. Finish by testing sheet navigation. Scroll up, down, left, and right to confirm the freeze is gone. If the unfreeze option is grayed out, make sure the workbook or worksheet isn't protected, and check if the file is shared or in compatibility mode. Disable those features first. If you still see frozen panes, close and reopen Excel, or open the file on another machine to rule out program glitches. One key tip: disabling protection almost always restores the unfreeze command.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.